In April, reports surfaced that Qualcomm had finalized the design for its upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 application processor, AP, set for introduction in October. However, following impressive single-core benchmark scores from Apple's forthcoming M4 chip, the rumor is that Qualcomm aims to redesign the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset by June. The rumored adjustments include raising the targeted clock speed from 4 GHz to 4.26 GHz. According to information shared by ex-subscriber at JasonWill101 via WolfTech, Qualcomm's move to compete with Apple's high-end M-series and A-series chips seems strategic. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be manufactured by leading foundry TSMC, utilizing its second-generation N3E 3nm process node, the same node slated for Apple's M4 chip, as well as its A18 and A18 Pro chipsets for the iPhone 16 lineup. However, it's worth noting that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 AP design will be based on the Snapdragon X Elite laptop processor, which does not support the ARM9 instruction set. Consequently, Qualcomm's flagship smartphone chip will lack the scalable matrix extension, SME, a feature present in chips like Apple's M4, enabling more efficient handling of complex tasks. To compensate for this, Qualcomm is reportedly aiming to boost the clock speed of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 to 4.26 GHz. Additionally, unlike using ARM's Cortex CPU cores, Qualcomm will employ its custom Phoenix cores. Despite being a smartphone chip competing with Apple's A18 and A18 Pro, rather than the M4, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to face stiff competition. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 configuration includes 2 big Phoenix CPU cores and 6 medium Phoenix CPU cores, with no small, low-powered Phoenix CPU cores. This build could potentially make it a top performer in smartphones, but may also lead to increased power consumption and heat generation, necessitating precautions in heat dissipation, possibly through larger vapor chambers. More details are anticipated to emerge during October's Snapdragon Summit, when the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is officially unveiled. It is expected to power US versions of the Samsung Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra in all markets. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.